Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove suggested accounts on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on security. At the bottom you'll see search history. Tap on that. And you'll see your suggested accounts here. Now to remove a specific account, tap on the cross icon just beside the username. And if you want to clear altogether, then tap clear all. And all of your suggested accounts will be removed from your account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.